Ilyas, if we hit the oars hard, we can get to Alexandria soon. A doctor should see Isagaha's wounds.
I'll go to Lesbos.
Lesbos is far. Alexandria is closer. You're wounded.
Let us heal your wounds. In Alexandria first, brother. And we borrowed the ship. We'll return it.
Then we'll return to Lesbos together. Right, Aha?
Yes. We'll go together. We'll visit together. My sister. And my nephew's graves. And Despina.
Despina, huh? Well, Oruç Efendi. Just stop acting like you respect the dead and your family. Despina is the one who you burned all your bridges for and left. And those ships which brought nothing more than trouble. Only they are your real family. You've never been a brother to me. Go on and be father to the corsairs of the Seven Seas. Claim your fame as Baba Oruç. Because of sea bandits, I lost my family. I lost them twice. Those who can't feel my pain, those who run to Corsair lands instead of our fathers can't be my family.
We all feel your pain. Hit me if it would ease you. Beat me. Crush me. But the wounds on your body are no less than the wounds on your heart. We're saying let them treat you in Alexandria first. Then go to Lesbos. That's all I ask of you.
Take me to Lesbos, Hizir. Don't worry about my wounds. If I die on the way, you'll bury me with my family. At least my dead body would be close to them.